Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Woo, I'm out of breath because I'm rushing around this morning trying to get things ready for our elective rush. If you don't know what an elective rush is, our school offers many electives to students to go along with their core classes. And we want to inform them about the electives so they know what to choose for next year. So all of us elective teachers, we take a lot of our things to the library to display, so when the kids walk through the library to find out about different electives, they can see the different robots that we've done in our class, competitions. We have pictures of things that we do in class so that they're like, oh, that's what they do in their class. And they're able to just know more information. So when they sign up for their elective for next year, they can make a good informed decision. So if you guys want to come along with me and see how today's elective rush goes, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Okay guys, so I have on my subscribe to Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics shirt. So when the students come by, if they want to see more information like videos, they can get hooked up on my channel to see what some of these things look like, in real time, where they get to see what the robots actually do. And so when I head to the library today, I'll be heading up period 1, so I'll be the representative and I'll answer their questions. The other periods, I'm gonna have my students be in there. So when students walk around, they might say, hey, what do you guys do? What does that robot do? I can demonstrate it. My students can demonstrate that so they can see what the robot actually does. So it's a neat way for the students to just get exposed to all of their options for electives. So next year, when they sign up for their electives, they know exactly what, well, not exactly everything, but they have a good picture of what they're getting into. So today what I'm going to do is take you along and kind of show you what it looks like when we're inside the library so you can see how this thing works and definitely how robotics works. So let's go. Come on. Okay guys, so that was elective rush. And hopefully the goal was when the students came in You know, us elective teachers, we're not competitive to the point where, hey, we're going to steal this kid away from you. We just want to give the kids the best choice. Like if you just put on paper what robotics is and said, hey, make your choice between that and art or music, they might not get the best snapshot of what that looks like. So with the elective rush, at least they get to see, oh, that's what the students do in that room. These are the projects we would do. So the goal is just to give them the best choice, not to steal students away from other teachers, but if that happens, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for coming along with me on Elective Rush. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.